Hi, this is Spencer, your Tampa Bay wallpaper installer, and welcome to my wallpaper channel, where I hang paper, remove paper, install sheetrock, woodwork, texture, you name it, we do it. Today I'm doing one of the least of my favorite things, and that's texturing a ceiling. Nevertheless, I want to show you how we do it. First of all, we've already prepped the ceiling after installing it. You'll see that it has 3 coats of joint compound on all of the seams. Now I've hung my plastic around the entire perimeter of the room, protecting the bed, the floors, everything has to be protected in plastic because we're going to cover the ceiling and everything's going to fall downward and everything has to be covered as a result. So now I'm just going to show you the technique. This is a basic hopper. It's called a hopper. Inside of the hopper is the material. Underneath there, you see that right there. That is a popcorn texture that has been sitting for 15 minutes. It has to soak into the water. After you take your box of texture and pour it into 1.5 gallons of water, you let it soak there for about 15 minutes. Now, it's a basic technique. It's literally, you could do this, if you know how to finger paint, you can do this. All you're looking to do is for a steady hand, a steady pattern, back and forth, circular, however you want to do it, just be consistent in the manner in which you do it throughout from the beginning to the end. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Just watch, and I'm not going to talk. You can just watch how I do it. This is Spencer Colgan. Welcome to my wallpaper channel. You can reach us at 813-666-7002 or visit us on the web at www.spencercolgan.com. Thanks for watching. Click on my channel. Click on like, please, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep on making these videos for you. Let me know how you do it, and I'll continue to show you how I do it. Thank you. All right, I'm turning on the pressure at the hopper. This thing gets heavy. Clean off the camera for you there. And there you have it. Again, this is Spencer at 813-666-7002. Or visit us on the web at spencercolgan.com. SpencerColgan. For all of your wallpaper installation, wallpaper removal, sheetrock installation, woodwork installation. Now, contact us for a consultation. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.